What are we doing? This.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be putting piping on to make it super clean. So you have your roll of piping or whatever you're using. And then you need to measure exactly how much you need. So let's say I'm gonna be sewing this piping exactly inside the seam. So I want it to be 1 centimeter away from the edge. When I get to the corner, I wanna see where my 1 centimeter point is. So I'm gonna hold this here and then turn it around. Kind of follow with my fingers and not pull on it too much, or else it'll create wrinkles in your collar and you don't want that. So very quickly, I'm just going to measure and just give it maybe 2 cm more in case I didn't measure properly. At the beginning and at the end, I will want to take out a little bit of that cord that's inside so it's not bulky in the seam. It's already going to be bulky because of all the layers. So once I got this, that's the time where I come and place everything. So since I want this to be sewn 1 centimeter from the edge, right here, I know that that's not quite 1 cm. I want to put it just a little past the seam line. And without pulling on it, I just want to place it, because the more you pull on it, the more your collar will wrinkle. I'm saying this because I've done the same mistake. When you get to the corner, this is where you want to do a little clip. So, where's my 1 centimeter? Well, about here. I want to do a little clip right there. And then turn it. So naturally, it wants to turn pretty sharply. This, and again, I don't want to pull, so I know that for myself, when I sew it without pins, I have a tendency to pull, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just taking my time and pinning it properly. And when you get to the tip right there, you want to do the same thing that you previously did. And then I'll finish off where it ends. Pull on the cord a little bit. Chop off the excess. Go ahead and pull on the cord on the inside. And chop off at least a little over 1 centimeter. There you go. I'm lucky I have a cording foot, which I'll be using for this, but some of you can simply use your zipper foot and it should be fine. I need to push it on the side since it wants to push too much on this side and I don't want to catch it. There you go. Now you have it neatly placed. You barely see the seam. Like this. Voila!